The automatic nail polish filling and capping machine is designed for precise, contamination-free filling of nail polish and similar cosmetic products. Featuring a peristaltic pump system and dual filling nozzles, it delivers accurate dosing with plus or minus 0.1 milliliters precision. The rotary starwheel structure integrates filling, plug inserting, cap placing, and capping into one compact monoblock system. Vibratory feeders supply bottle stoppers and caps efficiently, while the chain conveyor ensures smooth bottle transfer. With a working speed of 20 to 25 bottles per minute, this machine is ideal for high-efficiency cosmetic packaging.